Morning, all of you.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine.
I am also fine. So, first of all, I would like start to myself. So, my name is Komal. Basically, I have done my graduation as well as my master's MCom and the MHRM. So if you have any kind of the question, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am. So, what is MHRM?
So MHRM is Master of Human Resource Management. If you want to ahead your career in the HR field, so on the time you have to done this course. It's a basically after the graduation you have to do this kind of the course. If you want to ahead your life in the MHRM and you always think that I'm a very positive person, I can handle the whole kind of the crowd, I want to make my company. So these kind of the things you always think in your mind, so on the time you can do MHRM.
So, ma'am, why people running behind the government job?
Because everyone know that government job is very secure job. When we get the government job, so on the time we always do lack of work, we always feel there is no problem we will face in our future. We always get monthly salary as well as a lots of like the dear allowance, house allowance, traveling. So all kind of the facilities we are getting from the government side. That's why everyone is behinding from the government job. They always think that we will get the government job, so maybe our future will be secure and my like the children life and my family life will be secure. That's why they are always following the government job.
Okay, so what do you want to be?
So basically I want to be a good person in my life. When I will become the good person, maybe I will be help to the each other. I will help you. I will help my family members. And when I will become a good person, I will always feel the positive vibes. So these kind of the good things I want to include myself. That's why I want to be a good person.
So, ma'am, in your opinion, who will be the next PM of India?
So according to me, PM Modi also become the next Prime Minister of India, because now he is the Prime Minister of India and next he will become the Prime Minister of India because of him work. That's why nowadays he is doing the good work. People always cast to vote to Narendra Modi.
In your words, what is the motivation?
Motivation means one kind of the positive vibes you are listening, you are adapting from the people side, and you always think that he and she is doing the good work in their sector. So one kind of the good things you are catching from the them side. So always think that is the motivation for me, and the one kind of the inspiration for me. That is the things we always think. Good vibes you are adopting from the people side. That is the motivation for you.
So, ma'am, what do you prefer, business or job?
So according to me, I want to prefer the both things, because it's depend on you. What kind of the money you have in your inside, in your pocket, in your family members, what kind of the things all of you have. So according to your money, you can start your business. If you have lack of money, you have skills, you have knowledge, you have degree, diploma. On the time you can start job. Otherwise, you have lots of money. You have make an idea. You can make the mind one kind of the positive way. On the time you can start a business. Both kind of the things I want to prefer to you, because it's depend on you.
Okay, so who is your inspiration?
So my mother and father is my inspiration, because I always learn so many things them side, because they always said to me that you should always try. You should never think I will always get these kind of the thing. You should never think about the result. You should always do hard work. So my inspiration is my mother and the father.
What is the difference between hearing or listening?
So there are lack of difference between the hearing and the listening. Some things you are like the hearing from the people side, so on the time you are hearing, and one kind of the movie you are watching, so maybe it's a listening.
So, ma'am, what is the development?
Development means, if I talk about the India, so India is a developing country. It's not a development, because development means all kind of the things you are getting from your side. Like you have completed your basic need, you have completed your education, you have adopting one kind of the technology. You don't want to suffer anything. It's a development. But if I talk about the India, maybe we can define that kind of the word development, maybe the any kind of the things, because it's maybe the one kind of the things. It's a country, it's a social media, it's a people, it's their behavior. We can like the fulfill these kind of the words, maybe the develop and the development.
Ma'am, is that any things make you weak?
So there is nothing who will make me, because I always want to ahead in my life, and when I feel the lack of confidence, so on the time in a few seconds I increase my confidence. I always said to myself, these kind of the things I can't do, so I have to control myself. So there is nothing who always said to me that you are a weak and you are a weak.
So, ma'am, what do you think about yourself?
So I am a very positive person. I want to ahead in my life. I always think that if I will do the hard work, definitely I will achieve. In my life, I always take time when I learn something, when I earn something. So definitely I will take time, but definitely one day I will become that person and I will be achieve that thing.
Benefit of business.
Business. So there are lots of benefits of the business. Behalf of the business, you can earn lots of money. When you will be earn lots of money, you can develop yourself. When you will be develop yourself, on the time you can think about the poor person who don't have their money in their life. They want to ahead in life. You will solve their queries. So behalf of the business, you can do each and everything. So thanks for listening to me. I hope you all were satisfied from my answers. So thank you.